Okay, so we're looking at the last video, Polygons 3, exterior angles. So exterior is just another word for outside. So when you see the word outside, that's exterior, it just means outside the shape. Okay, and I've just written it, outside there. So for instance, these angles inside, they're the interior ones. But this angle here is outside, or for instance on this shape here, this one is outside. So inside is interior, and outside is exterior. So copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so exterior angles always make a straight line with its next to interior. So here's the interior and here's the exterior, and they are sitting on a straight line. Now the reason why we've got them on a straight line is because we know that a straight line always adds to 180. Okay, so interior, exterior always add to 180. So copy that and come across. Okay, so exterior angles can be drawn in both directions. So if I went across like that way, then the exterior is there, or if I went down, the exterior is there, and the interior is inside. Now you've got the old cross, so once you've got a cross, you've got vertically opposite, okay, and vertical opposite angles are equal. So it doesn't matter which way you go, you're going to get the same answer. Okay, copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so there's a special rule for the sum, the total, okay, when we add them up for the exterior angle. So can you pause and have a go at the exteriors on these two shapes, and then we'll have a look. Okay, so you had a go. So that's 110, that's 130, that's 120. And when you add those up, you get 360. Now, see what happens on the next one. Okay, so we've got 120, we've got 40, we've got 80, and I've got another 120. So I've got 80, 40, 120, 120, and when you add them up, you get the same answer. So it doesn't matter how many sides you have, you're always going to get 360. So that's going to be the rule. So copy and come across, and I've got a little rule. So the rule is the exterior angle sum, when you add them all up, always equals 360, and it doesn't matter how many sides. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many sides, the answer always equals 360. So copy that and come across when you see some examples on how to use it. Okay, so for an irregular pentagon, find the value of each exterior. Okay, so pentagon is 5, so we have 5 minus 2 times 180. I said, no, we're not doing it that way. We're doing exterior angle, sorry, my fault. So we've got 360 degrees, and we have 5 sides, and when you do that, you get 72 degrees. Okay, so I was doing interior again. So it's exterior, so the exterior angle sum is 360, and you divide by 5 for 5 sides, so you get 72 degrees. Sorry about that, and come across when you're ready. Okay, now this next one, we have to find the internal angle of a regular hexagon, but I want you to use this new exterior angle part. So if you're going to do it the long other way that we showed in an earlier video, the internal angle is n minus 2 times 180 over n, which is, you know, quite involved. But now let's have a look at the exterior angle and see how it works. So the exterior angle is always 360, and you divide by the number of sides. So we've got a hexagon, so we've got 6, so we've got 60 degrees, and so that's the outside, so the interior must be 120 because the angles always add to 180. So that's a lot easier than using the internal angle sum. Okay, so that's that part, and I think that's our last slide. Yep, that's it. So copy that, and when you're ready, there's some exercises on Moodle. Thanks, bye.